Hello! Today we are going to clean the downstairs bathroom light fixture glass thing that's on there. I have the lights off because I use incandescent. They get hot and I don't want to burn my fingies off. So I've never taken these down or cleaned them. I have a step ladder here because I'm not quite tall enough. The bulb is dusty. I think these were Dollar Tree, Dollar Store 100 watt rough service bulbs. We'll take a closer look at that in a minute. I'll just put that in the sink temporarily. And I can now kick the light on, the remaining light. These have a kind of a rough textured finish. I don't know how to explain it. And they have 3 set screws. And there we go. Oh yeah. Take a look at that. Yeah. That is high end. I never have cleaned these. Let's go ahead and do it. We just have the one other light for now, so we're going to have to deal with that. Well, I apologize about the poor lighting conditions, but too bad. That's what we got. This is dirty. I'm going to just run some water over just the top of it. Oh yeah. That's high end. That is high end. This is a, well, let me put the light on. Ha 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 ha. There's not enough light for me to read, maybe in the hallway. Yes, it is a Sunbeam 100 watt 130 volt rough service bulb. So that's what's in here, and they seem to do just fine. I'm going to set that down over here. All it took was just some water to do the trick, and now we're going to just do the same. So we'll put some water on, add a little hot to the mix, and rinse the outside, which doesn't appear to be very dusty at all. It's got really a cool texture. Unfortunately, the texture does not come off. But the inside is bad. So I'm just going to run my fingers around the edge. You can see some of the dust. That's good. And in here we'll kind of do the same. Get some water in that. And that'll be just fine right there. I'm going to leave that to dry for a bit, and then we'll go ahead and put it back up. Next step is going to be to wipe off the fixture itself. I have a damp cloth to get all the dust off of that. Make sure that's tight. It's not. That's good. Is it straight? Mostly. Get the little curvy guy over there. There we are. And lastly, just around the lip shouldn't be anything, because the glass kind of covers that. So that's all good. Put that down there. We'll take our thingamajobber once again. Shade. Put that in. And never make these anything more than just finger tight. because you will crack it and you will be in for a bad time. I suspect these lights could be mounted pointing downwards as well, but this is how they came, and I guess it works. I kind of like them like this, so hey, it is what it is. And the bulb I have to get, which is down here, and go ahead and screw that back in. There we go. Wow. Let me show you the difference. Wow, it's like 3 times friggin' brighter. Clean one, dirty one. Wow, that's awesome. You can increase the brightness in your room just by cleaning your fucking lamp. Nice. So now that bulb up there is going to burn the shit out of me, so I'm going to just stop down. I'm going to clean that exactly the same way as you saw the first, and then we will put it back. Much, much, much improved. Man, that was serious. That is so much better. It is so much brighter in here. Wow, big difference. Take the time out of your day to clean your lamps. You will be amazed at how much more light you'll get. That's all I got for this one. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.